So today I will be comparing portable electric espresso machine with 3-4 main self-heating versus the Outin Nano portable electric espresso machine travel coffee maker. Be sure to watch to the end and I will tell you which is better. Links to all the products are in the description. So brewing method is Espresso self-heating portable in 3-4 and Espresso self-heating portable 2 in Outin Nano. Pressure is 15 bar high pressure pump in 3-4 and 18 bar high pressure pump in Outin Nano. Heating time is 3-4 minutes in 3-4 and 3-4 minutes rapid heating technology in Outin Nano. Brewing time is the same, it takes around 1 minute after heating. Water tank capacity is 60-80 milliliters, approx 2.7 Oz in 3-4 and 60 milliliters, approx 2 Oz in Outin Nano. Power source is rechargeable battery USB charging in 3-4 and rechargeable battery USB-C fast charging in Outin Nano. Battery life on a full charge is 3-4 cups per charge in 3-4 and 3-5 cups per charge in Outin Nano. Self-heating capability is the same, it is yes, heats water internally. Capsule compatibility is compatible with ground coffee and Espresso pods in 3-4 and compatible with Espresso pods and ground coffee in Outin Nano. Grinder is the same as now. Portability is lightweight and portable, great for travel or outdoor use in 3-4 and extremely compact and portable, ideal for travel or on the go in Outin Nano. Cup size options is single espresso shot approx 2 Oz in 3-4 and single espresso shot approx 2 Oz 2 in Outin Nano. Ease of use is a simple button operation in 3-4 and simple button operation with one touch brewing in Outin Nano. Ease of cleaning is detachable parts, easy to clean, and it's the same. Weight is lightweight, 1.2-1.4 lbs in 3-4 and extremely lightweight, around 1.1 lbs in Outin Nano. Size dimensions is compact, approx 8-9 inches in length in 3-4 and ultra compact 3 to 3 inches in Outin Nano. Material is plastic exterior with stainless steel components in 3-4 and high quality ABS plastic and aluminum in Outin Nano. Durability is durable for outdoor use, standard plastic body and 3-4 and robust build designed for outdoor and travel conditions in Outin Nano. Battery charging time is 2-3 hours in 3-4 and fast charging around 2.5 hours for a full charge in Outin Nano. Price range is mid-range 120 to 150 in 3-4 and mid-range 120 to 160 in Outin Nano. After shut-off is the same and it's yes. If you want to get the most powerful, durable device that will really taste good making coffee, then the best choice will be the Outin Nano portable electric espresso machine travel coffee maker. The link to buy it is in the video description.